Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter number 8, Appliances that Reduce Labor. Changes in social and economic conditions have resulted in change responsibility for both working and full-time housewives. Normally, they spend much of their times in the kitchen. The labor saving devices, both electrical and non electricals, are utilized by the housewives at present. These tools and appliances have become part and parcel of the houses because of the comfort they yield. What are the uses of these labor saving devices? It reduces time and energy. It improves the quality of the work being done. More work can be done within the same time. The dependence of the housewife on domestic servant is reduced. It gives chances to the families to enjoy their leisure time activities. The first appliances that we are going to see is pressure cooker. A pressure cooker is a common appliances used in our kitchens. But some care has to be taken while using these appliances. Buy a branded cooker with ISI mark. Ask the dealer for warranty card so that the cooker can be repaired for free or exchange. Add appropriate amount of water to the cooker as food is cooked by by the pressure created by the steam. The steamer basket has to be placed above the triplet and add water so that the triplet is immersed in water. Add a small piece of lemon or vinegar once or twice a week. This prevents the cooker from turning black. Also, while cooking solid food items like rice or khichdi, do not fill more than 2/3 quantity of water. Also, while making kheer, sambar, soup, fill the steamer basket up to half level or else the fluid will spill from the cooker. The next labor saving device is refrigerator. Refrigerator is also known as fridge. Perishable food items like vegetables, leftover food, cold water, ice, juices, etc. are stored in refrigerator. The lower temperature in the fridge lowers the reproduction rate of bacteria. The optimum temperature inside the refrigerator is 3 degree to 5 degree Celsius. While using the refrigerator also we have to take certain safety precautions like place the refrigerator away from the heat sources like gas stove, sunlight, etc. Do not overcrowd the refrigerator with plenty of stuff. Let allow the air to circulate inside the refrigerator. Do not keep the door open for a long time. Do not store hot foods inside the refrigerator. This increases the temperature inside and allow the microorganism to grow and multiply at a faster rate. Store vegetable in cloth or nylon bags. If we use plastic bags to store vegetables, then it leads to the formation of moistures and this leads to spoilage of food. Also, do not store masalas in the refrigerator as masalas lead to the formation of moisture which lead to spoilage. Soft drink and cold drink can be stored in freezer. But bottles have to be removed on time as it lead to cracking of bottles due to expansion of liquid in the bottle. Toaster. Since many years, Indians have depended on parathas, idli, dosas, upma, etc. for breakfast. Bread is brought by Britishers in India. Bread is digestible after roasting. So in this way, toast became a popular breakfast, and with that toaster was discovered. Applying cheese, jam, chutney or sabji between two bread pieces give us a popular breakfast called sandwich. Sandwich maker was thus introduced in the market. Precaution taken while using toaster. The tray of the toaster has to be cleaned from time to time as breadcrumbs get accumulated in the tray of the toaster. Unplug the toaster and clean it with dry cloth or a tissue. Do not use water to clean the toaster. After cleaning, place a cloth or a plastic over it. Sandwich maker should also be unplugged before cleaning. Use a paper towel followed by cleaning it with dry cloth. Also, don't touch the body of the toaster or the sandwich maker when it is connected to a circuit. Mixer and food processor. Mixer is one of the most important appliances used in our kitchen. There are three jars in a mixer. The smaller is a chutney grinder. The second is for grinding dry masala or flour. The third is a liquidizer used for making butter, soup, milkshake, etc. A food processor is used for chopping onions, grating carrots, and for making dough. Instructions while using mixer and food processor. While grinding soaked dal, add water at certain intervals of time. Stop the mixer and mix the dal so that air passes into it and it becomes light. To get fine particles of foodstuffs, add the foodstuffs to the mixer in parts so that we get the expected result. Use a nylon scrubber to clean the parts of the mixer. We can also use warm water and soap to clean and wash the part of the mixer. Then wipe the mixer with a clean wet cloth. But remove the plug while cleaning the parts of the mixer. Do not place a plastic sheet under the mixer when current is passed through the mixer. Do not use a spoon for stirring the content in the mixer when the mixer is on. And do not put your hands in the mixer. The next labor saving device is oven. The need of oven arises for making cakes, cookies, bread, making pizzas. If these items are made at home, a lot of money is saved. Also, we can add flavor according to our taste. But for using oven, we need to follow certain instructions. When the oven is put on, the area around the oven becomes hot. So the oven has to be kept in an open space away from the reach of the children. Before eating any food items, the oven has to be preheated at definite temperature. While keeping any utensil in the oven, see to it that a space of 2 inches is left from all the sides for proper cooking of food. Make use of gloves while keeping the utensils or removing the utensils from the oven. Keep the door of the oven open for some time after cooking. This will allow all the odors of the previous food items to get rid from the oven. The last labor saving devices that we are going to see is microwave oven. To keep of to keep food items warm, we make use of microwave ovens. It has become the most popular kitchen appliances. Metal utensils cannot be kept in microwave oven as it become red hot and contact electricity. But we can make use of paper plates, glassware, ceramic and clay items.